Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can crop video clips in your Vimeo video library. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your Vimeo account, navigate to the library and select the given video clip. What you want to do next guys is access the editor. So to do that, click into editing here on the left hand side, select video editor. Next, what you want to do is wait till the loading finishes here. And then what you want to do next is click into the given frame here or preview window and then choose crop here at the top. Now what you want to do is use these corners here, for example, in the top left and in the top bottom right and so on and so forth to crop to a specific area. You may also click into the video clip in the background and then as you can see the cropping will look like this. Now if you'd like to undo this, you may use these buttons in the top right. Undo this to restore the previous version without the cropping, and that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.